In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link account for cross-progression in Multiversus on Steam. Linking your accounts ensures your characters, unlocks, and purchases travel with you wherever you play, and it only takes a few minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the official WB Games account site at account.wbgames.com. On the home page, click the Sign In button. If you already have a WB Games account, enter your credentials to log in. If you're new, select the option to create an account and complete the quick verification using the code sent to your email. Make sure you can access that inbox, and if the code doesn't show up right away, check your spam folder or request a fresh code. Keep your verification code private. Once you're signed in, head to your account profile by opening the menu in the top right corner and selecting Account Settings. This is the hub where you manage your profile and connected platforms. In the left-hand menu, choose Connections or Link Accounts. You'll see a list of platforms supported by WB Games, including Steam, PlayStation, and Xbox. We're focusing on Steam here, since that's where your Multiversus progress will link from. Find Steam in the list and click the Connect button next to it. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to link your WB Games account to Steam. Confirm, and you'll be redirected to the secure Steam sign-in page. Log into the Steam account you actually use for Multiversus. If you have multiple Steam profiles, double-check you're selecting the correct one, because your progress will follow the account you link here. If Steam prompts for two-factor authentication, approve it as usual. After signing in, Steam will show an authorization screen asking you to allow WB Games to connect, review the details, and authorize the link. You'll be returned to the WB Games page, and Steam should now show as connected in your connections or link accounts list. That's your confirmation that cross-progression is set up. From this point forward, your Multiversus progress is tied to your WB Games account, so when you sign into the same WB account in-game, your progress, unlocks, and purchases will sync. If you had the game open during this process, close and relaunch it so it can detect the new link. If the connection doesn't appear right away on the website, refresh the page or sign out and back in to update the status. And that's it. You've successfully linked your Steam account to WB Games for Multiversus cross-progression. Thanks for watching.